am Jennifer from Jennifer at Home. Welcome to the Simple and Beautiful Memorial Day Tea Party collaboration. The participants in this collaboration are Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, May's Design Corner, Dream with Caroline, Secondhand Tracy Ann, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these great channels for inspiration for the upcoming Memorial Day holiday. These channels will all be listed below. Today I'm getting started with this beautiful red and white tablecloth. It'll be the perfect backdrop for my Memorial Day tea party. In keeping with the simple design, I'm going to be using these beautiful white simple plates. I'm going to be hosting a luncheon today for 3 friends, and these beautiful American flag napkins will be perfect on our plates. For my centerpiece, I have this beautiful arrangement of artificial flowers in this lovely glass vase. I'm going to use these little American flags, and I'm just going to tuck these right in to the vase right between the flowers. I'll just put one in between each flower. This patriotic garland will be perfect in the center of the table. It has beautiful red, white, and blue beads and a little wooden flag. I'll just wrap this right around the vase. In this little patriotic bucket with little cutout stars, I've added some paper and some pens so that we can write down and share what we're really grateful for about our country. And here is my table, all ready for my simple Memorial Day tea party. I am so glad you're here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be so happy if you check out the other channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.